Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, le weekend esibuya kuyo-ke bekuyi-weekend ebhizi kakhulu. Nge-Saturday uJacob Zuma bekawamukela abelaphi bendabuko ebebezojoyina umkhonto weSizwe Party, ngathi ubese Soweto. Kanti izolo ngesonto bekune Solomon Mahlangu Memorial Lecture njengoba bekusuku leli lokubungaza inkululeko. Kodwa-ke zonke lento zenzekile. Ivile engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo namuhla into eyisho uJacob Zuma laphaya. Noma engalishongo igama lalo muntu kodwa ku-obvious kithi sonke ukuthi ukhuluma ngoPresident uCyril Ramaphosa. Ngifisa ukucaphunela lo video ngoba kuyivideo etrendayo. Lapho khona uJacob Zuma ekhulume khona ngoPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Emveni kwalapho ngifisa sikhulume ngodaba lase-Eastern Cape. Siyakhumbula ukuthi Eastern Cape ivele kakhulu kwabezindaba naku-cutting edge. Bekhala abantu bakhona ukuthi baphuza amanzi ney'nkomo. Sabona impela abantwana benqamula beye ey'koleni benqamula emanzini uma linile izulu ngenxa yokungakwakhiwa kwezinto ukuthi nje uhulumeni ubayekelele. Kodwa-ke siye sadumala uma kufika ama-elections lapho khona esibone i-Eastern Cape ku-ANC ihamba phambili i-Eastern Cape ukuthi labantu still noma kunjalo noma behleli for 30 years bengenawo ama-bridge bengenayo imigwaqo isimo sisibi kodwa basavotele i-ANC. Sizokhuluma ngodaba lase-Eastern Cape. Ngiyafisa zingelinye ilanga sike sikhuluma udaba lomhlaba. Sengike ngayizwa impela iy'nkulumo zabantu kufuneka umhlaba ubuye yonke into ekhulunywayo. Akukho engikuphikayo-ke kwabakushoyo abantu. Akukho engikuphikayo kodwa ngiyafisa sike sixoxe ngodaba lomhlaba. Angazi nini kodwa ngiyafisa sike silixoxe ngoba kukhona abantu abanikezwa amaplazi. Namhlanje lawo maplazi abandene alahliwe. Kukhona abantu abakuthola uxhaso government ukuthi abawasebenza amaplazi. Lawo maplazi lawa ahleli awasetshenzwa. Kukhona abantu abaney'ndawo emakhaya. Bayishile lezo ndawo abazisebenzi kodwa abaqeshela emkhukhwini ey'ndaweni ezehlukahlukene. Angisho ukuthi ku-wrong kodwa ngiyafisa ngelinye ilanga sikhuluma udaba lomhlaba. Futhi maselikhuluma ekuthenini silifuna umhlaba ukuthi ubuye nje ngoba wathathwa noma siwufuna ukuthi umhlaba usetshenzwe ngokwe-economy. Yini esingayenza kodwa lokho sokuxoxa ngelanga soxoxa ngalo daba lomhlaba. Okwamanje nje ngifisa caphunela nansi inkulumo eshiwo u-former president president womkhonto weSizwe Party uJacob Zuma. Cela uzwe la.
Sisusa amakhosi ubani sizothi uyena unamandla kulapho uqhamuka khona lo muntu okuthiwa president. Igama lingasho lutho ngoba ngisho isiphuphu siba upresident. Phuphu kangaka ekwazi ukufihla imali elokufika. Ngikhuluma iqiniso. Uthi kithina sonke njengoba sewukhona umuntu wafihla imali yakhe Mantalanzi mhla ngizwa ngendaba leyo. Umuntu oqala ngimbone ngosini umuntu obekuthiwa president. Akunjalo? Akusho mina kusho izenzo. Ngoba phela bona mangiqamba yatholakala imali eMantalanzini. Icala namanje alikathethwa. Kodwa umuntu otholakale exosha uswidi nje osho izandla nenyama. Uyabona ke isithunzi somuntu omnyama sasuswa kanjalo.
Angeke ngichaze lutho ngale video. Ivideo nje trendayo. Lapho uJacob Zuma athe nesiphukuphuku siyaba ngupresident. Kodwa akugcizelelayo ukuthi imali yatholakala umatrasi kodwa icala likaze lithethwe. Uyabona lento eyenzekayo ukuthi kuthiwe siyalingana emthethweni kodwa bese singatrithwa ngokufana. Yiyo lenza ukuthi kube nezinkulumo ezinje. Angikucaphunela ukuthi bekwenzakalana e-Eastern Cape.
Into yobana that council seyirhuqa ngo-reserve. Ixhomekeke kuthi into yobana singababonisi when we are campaigning in 2026. Sibabonise ngoku abantu baseBuffalo City are tired. And if you think that they are tired and then ready to join ATM and MK Party, you are mistaken. They are tired of the politics in general. So we need to be visible at Buffalo City ngoku, not xa kusiwa kwi-elections, so that ithemba labantu base-BCM libe khona. Commander Mali, Commander Lulu, Commander Crosby, xa ndibize nina nobathathu ndizibize zonke ii-commanders zase-BCM. Ndisebenzisene, I am within that very same council. If you've got questions that you want us to ask there, if you've got motions, okwangoku ndikhona ningekho phaya, send those motions so that we can hold them accountable. And that should happen across the whole Eastern Cape. We are the leading and the opposition. Whatever you want happening in those municipalities, let us not wait for 2026. Let us put pressure right now. Xa ndizawuhlala phantsi, I think kuzawubaluleka ukuthi we hold iBuffalo City municipality, because uchilo apa ukomande beteta, that is where they are the so-called majority. I'm saying the so-called SG because we all know ukuthi already almost bazinhlanhla ntathu within one organization. Kunzima ukuvumelana within that municipality, and therefore that is our opportunity to hold each other and make sure that we are united. Sibashukumise ngoku, not in 2026. There are 3 areas ekufuneka siqinisekile ukuthi as this region we sit down and make sure ukuthi siyasebenzisana kuzo. EIEC mabasifilishe akufunekanga kube kwi-MPLs zethu ATM and MK Party ezingazi-attendiyo eza meetings, because ubungozi balento siya kuyo buxhomekeke kula office. The delimitation of words is very critical. When you listen to them talking public council, beyokwenza presentation, you can see ubana indaba ye delimitation of words is not about the geography, is not about the numbers, it's about where they think that they can win votes. So changes must be done according to what they want. That should not happen at Buffalo City Sikon. Ndifuna ukuthi kunizinkokheli zaseBuffalo City sikhona, leadership yaseBuffalo City khona, from time to time let us sit and talk about programs ezinokwenza ukuthi ngalo lonke ixesha sibe phakathi kwabantu sinike ithemba. I think
Ngithi angikulethele le video uwazi igxathu elithathwa umkhonto wesizwe party endaweni nase-Eastern Cape. President Ramaphosa emavikeni adlula uyile Eastern Cape, wafika wablame apartheid, wathi impela Eastern Cape nje kungenxa ye-apartheid, wakhohlwa ukuthi ANC beyiphethe for the past 30 years. Naye uJacob Zuma waphatha for 9 years, azange ayinaki Eastern Cape. Angisazi-ke isizathu, kodwa phela iqiniso linjalo ukuthi naye uphathile azange ayinaki. Kodwa-ke mhlawumbe bafuna ukulungisa amaphutha wabo, enibalungisa nalokho angakwenzanga kahle, njengoba i-ATM ihlangane ne-MK Party besebenzisana ngokubambisana bethi bazoya kuleya ndawo. Ngicela ukucaphunela ivideo yokugcina bese siyivala le video ukuzwisa nje ukuthi yini ebikhulunywa lapha e-Eastern Cape.
Province amongst the two, which is Limpopo and the Eastern Cape, led by the ANC. It then tells you, if comrades, our own commitment yield some result, would be taking part ekukhululeni abantu bakuthi entirely. Because le nto yokuthengiswa kwabantu abantsundu seyibambelele kweli phondo naselibomvu. Kusubstitute i-revolutionary theory ngento esingayaziyo ekuthiwa yi-GNU. Iqale kancinci yafaka into okuthiwa yi-New Dawn. Soze ubeve ngokubethetha nge-National Democratic Revolution because kufuneka ungxengwe le nto yabantu bakuthi that is going to liberate them entirely. So njengeli phondo labantu be-MK sinoxanduva lokungakhulula abantu baseMpuma Koloni, but sinexanduva lokukhulula abantu baseMzantsi Afrika kule dyokwe yokukhoboka abatyathisweyo. Iluxanduva lwethu ke comrades into okuyazi into okubana ukungxengeka komzabalazo wabantu bakuthi isiseko sawo silapha sisekelwe yilibombo, because this is where they are leading overwhelmingly, and the people of this province continue to vote them to power despite indlela abantu beliphondo abaphetheke ngayo. 7.2 million people of this province, but the majority being young people and young women, live below the poverty line. And there is no pragmatic action to respond to that challenge. And inkululeko yabantu bakuthi ikuthi njengoba sihleli ngohlobo kuba abantu bakuthi bebengenayo into bebenethemba layo, bebexelela into okubana lento kaMandela izawubasa kwilizwe lobusi nobisi. Yanxengeka endleleni, and irresponsibility kuthi yokungena kwisociety siyokwazi ukucacisela abantu bayi-understand into okubana the vehicle bebekhwele kuyo, it's no more taking the direction that it was envisaged. It's taking a total different direction, and abantu bakuthi kufuneka sibakhulule, sibohlise kuyo, sibakhwelise kwinqwelo yomkhonto wesizwe ezawubasa kwilizwe lesithembiso. Sikunye ke nezinceku, we are committed to that revolutionary cause. Okugqibela maqabane, amongst the two metros that they lead, this is the one esikuyo that they are living in. They are leading with overwhelming majority. But look at the state, eyikuso le institution. Collapse in the political leadership. Administration has collapsed because leadership politically is meddling with the administration. Inye into, it's about ukuyonanazela isizandla ethilini kuba abantu babethela ugoduka bayayiphela lento. Kufuneka ke sakhele isiseko, singakhela next year kodwa sakhele ikamva labantu bakuthi uqinisekisa uba next year is just a phase yokukhulula abantu bakuthi entirely. So samkela wena Secretary General and everyone who is here to such a province. But given what we have said about the national leadership that you have sent to this province, ikhona into ethi ngaphaya nobhala, who would reap more than what honestly would have envisaged, given the commitment of these comrades from the national leadership and how they work with us in the province. Amandla!
Ngithi angikuletheleke le video ngoba umkhonto wesizwe phatha uthatha igxathu lokuthi awuyisukumele indaba se-Eastern Cape. Be-attend abantu bakhona. Asazi ke noma nabo basukuma ngoba inhloso yabo kukuzuza amavoti noma basukuma ngoba ngempela bebakhathalela abantu. Asazi ke iqiniso lakhona leyo vele uma kwenzekile baphatha. Iqiniso solibona mzukwane kwathiwa banikwe ithuba. Ngicela ukuyibamba la le video ngoba inhloso yami nje bekungukuthi ngikulethele nje izinto ebezenzeka kule weekend kodwa kule part yomkhonto wesizwe party ukuthi bekwenzakalani. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.